Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. Ooh-wee, remember those carrots we planted? The carrots are popping, they're showing their face. She said, hey, I'm here, I'm here. Germination on the carrots. So happy. How about this side? I'm seeing some growth here. We got tons of rain last night. But yeah, I'm seeing some green action here. Nice. Seeds we planted in both these grow bags. So it's waking up. Oh, way too much rain going on out here. We're gonna clean up this tomato plant. It has been a rainy spring. I'm cleaning all of this up. I don't want any of this yellowing on the plant. They've got flowers growing on them. Oh, we've got raspberries, garden snacks everywhere. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yes! I got a squash. Young and tender, baby. Young and tender. Yes. Oh, no. Another one growing in here now. There's already another one growing. Let me take this off. Oh, shoot. Darn it. I had to go and touch it. Unbelievable. Checking on the basil. Basil's coming through. Dwarf blue curled kale. Jerome's in the house. Kale's in the house. All right. Everything germinated. That rain that we received helped so much. God's water. The bugs are bugging. This is my trap crop here. I'm letting all the pests eat and feast on this so that hopefully they will leave my kale alone. It's the lemon thyme. So pretty. Look at that pretty, delicate purple flower. We're going to harvest this week. The asparagus is doing well. That's the Mary Washington. And here's the carnivores asparagus, first year. When did we plant this out? Was it March or April? Swiss chard is doing well. Yes, so much rain. Look at the leaves on this tomato plant. I think it's too much rain in this container. There's life and death in the garden. I may have to just end up pulling this out. Bavarian is doing well. Wart. That is supposed to be hyssop there. Okay. Yeah, so I just wanted to come out here and check on the garden after all of that rain. There were fallen branches and everything. Oh no. Not my babies. Ooh, garden snacks. Over there, you ant. Garden snacks. I'm here for the garden snacks. So I gotta head inside and edit this next summer vlog video. Working your girl, working your girl. Put this bucket out here to catch rainwater. Buckets everywhere. Just catching this rainwater. This is free water, free God's water. Just catching it every way I can. This Lola Rosa lettuce is going to seed. She has sent up her flower stalk. So we're gonna let her complete her life cycle and we'll harvest those seeds. We've got fruit here on the cucumber, the baby fruit. Oh man, look at all the yellowing leaves. Just way too much water. There is a such thing, too much water. It's equivalent to somebody sticking your head underwater and leaving you there. You can't breathe, right? These plants are like, I can't breathe, I can't breathe. Beautiful, beautiful amaranth. Yeah, my other peas here, they need to be pulled out. What are we heading into mid-June now? Early spring, they're so green and young and tender. Is this my first Sweet 100 tomato? Yeah, I'm going to bring her indoors. I'm going to let her sit out on the counter for a day or two. I'm popping you in my mouth. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is what your tomato leaves look like due to overwatering. The cilantro is going to seed. And you see those little balls? Once it goes to seed, it becomes coriander, which is another delicious herb. Highly used in Indian cuisine. Cranberry Crush is crushing it. Her baby girl is growing. Look at her. She was nothing, and now she's something. Okay, I just wanted to do a quickie. I gotta head back in. We'll come back out here at another time. But just wanted to make sure my garden babe. Oh, look. I have to get these peas. It's a must. It is a must. Oh, crap. You see, this is what happens when you're trying to hold your phone and record at the same time. Okay. Yes, peas. Yeah, because I'm going to be pulling you out this week. You are looking rough. Look at my plant. I didn't even see this pea over here hiding. There's another little small baby one. We're going to get this. It's June, mid-June. It is time. It's time. A little quickie. Put these in my pocket. There's another one here. Yeah, we got to get these. She don't play. Oh, here's more down here. Oh, look, they're just hanging there waiting. Pick me, pick me. Here too. That's a fatty. Yes. She plump. Oh, here's another one. They plump. There's another one down here. Yes, I am happy with the, oh wow. Almost missed these beauties. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. 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 I'm gonna have a nice little snack inside. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. So good. So good. Wow, here's another one. Look at that. Just in time. They knew they were getting ready to come out. They said, let's save the best for last. Like the fireworks grand finale. Oh, this is truly a young and tender. Eat you. Eat you too. Okay. Signing out from the backyard garden. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Woo-wee. Young and tender. I'm gonna get you. Look at it. It's a baby frog. I almost touched it. I thought it was a rock. If that thing jumped on me, let me get on from here. Lord, I will wake up the whole neighborhood. Oh, the cucumbers. Look at the cucumbers. They're growing. All right. Look at you. You go, girl. Look how she just attached herself to the trellising like a good girl. She knew the assignment. She knew. They knew the assignment. These are the Japanese cucumber. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you tomorrow. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.